going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mahalo for joining. Whew, today's the day we've been waiting for. We got this big boy coming in. Bang! We got the Mega Charizard X Ultra Premium Collection. This is the UPC from the new Mega Charizard X. It's lucky this thing came in last night from Pokemon Center. Super stoked to rip it and share it with you guys. Kind of show you guys what's in it. You know, review what's in it. You got the nice promos. You got 18 packs. You got some really cool stuff in here. So yeah, bro, like I said, super stoked to rip this. Came in last night. I was waiting. This morning I was stoked to do it. So yeah, if you guys was lucky enough to get your hands on these from Pokemon Center, this is the new Mega Charizard X Ultra Premium Collection. So in this box, you can see on the back, you get a foil promo card with Mega Charizard X. This promo is super sick, I think. You get a nice foil promo of Oricorio EX. You get 65 sleeves. You get the sleeves, you get the box, you get the playmat. You get a nice metal coin. This metal coin is pretty cool too. I checked that out. And you get your damage counters, you get your code cards, and you get your 18 packs. So looking at this, with like 2 Surging Sparks, 4 Journey Together, 4 Destined Rivals, 4 Mega Evolutions, and 4 Fantasma Flames. So super stoked for this. It's gonna be my first packs of Fantasma Flames that I'm gonna rip too. So excited to get my hands on this and rip this open. But yep, without further ado, bro, let's rip this bad boy open. Let's check it out. In the background, I get a couple other UPCs. I get the 151 and the Sword and Shield Charizard one. So I am gonna have, you know, at least 1 or 2 or a couple more of these come in. Those are gonna go into the PC for sure and just stay tucked away, sealed. But I really wanted to rip this one open and you know, share them with you guys and do them. I promised I would do it, and you know, 100% it's me making good on that promise that I'll rip this open. First impression, super nice box, cool box, you know. Probably nothing else you can really do with the box besides just being a box. It's not sturdy or anything, but super cool box. Gotta love the design and the picture of the Mega Charizard on it. Okay, open this thing up. Bang! And there is your promos. I like how they do this too with the promos. Keep them, you know, safe, not beat them up. You get the code card here. Free code card, anybody wants that code. And you get the Charizard promo. Super cool promo. Tight in there too. Looks like got 2 cards in here, so I'm guessing the Oricorio is in here too. But you know, super sick promo. I think this card is sick. Yeah, that's that. On the side. Inside the box looks like this. Cool playmat. Get your metal coin. Nice size metal coin. Your deck box. Your sleeves. Your dice. And then our packs. Pretty cool, bro. Pretty cool. I like how they package it too. What's this coin? Oh, this is a nice metal coin. I'm gonna take this bad boy with me to the card shows. We'll do some coin flips with them. Ooh, sounds good too. Nice metal coin. Right on. Your sleeves, deck box. Some cool mat. The mat looks pretty cool too. Nice art. Like I said, what we're really looking forward to is these packs. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And it should be 9 on this side. 4, 6, 8, 9. Yep. Okay, so that's what the inside of this box looks like. I can open up this mat so you guys can see them. Good to check this out and watch this too. In case you guys get them, so you guys know more FOMO. You guys don't like rip them, you guys like hold them. At least you guys know you got. Sick playmat. Really nice playmat. Super cool. Okay, put this on the side. Then we get our packs. So we get 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 Fantasmals. 1, 2, 3, 4 Destined Rivals. 1, 2, 3, 4 Mega Evolutions. 1, 2, 3, 4 Journey Together, and 2 Surging Sparks. Alright, so we're gonna have a nice little rip today too. Check all this out. Super stoked for this. It'd be crazy if we can pull something major too, right? That'd be super cool. If not, we got that sick promo. I'm stoked about that coin too. That coin looks good. Okay, start with some Surging Sparks. Minute since I ripped Surging Sparks, so this will be fun. Nice, first pack we got EX. Right on. Second pack of Surging Sparks. Jinpo. Yeah, we'll move on to some Journey Together. You know, I like Journey Together. It's a very slept on set, I think. It's one of those get potential. It'll pop up later, but we see. We see. Got more Fantasmals on the way too, so looking forward to ripping that. I should be able to rip at least one booster box on the channel. If I'm not mistaken, today's release day too, so if anybody going out there, going to the stores and getting some, congrats. Right on, hope you guys score some nice stuff. Like I said, retail is the best, man. You can get some retail rips. Congrats. Good luck. If you guys did and you guys started ripping already, comment below. Let me know what you guys got. I see Choke guys posting on like Instagram and stuff for hits. Looks pretty good. It's a small set, so hit rates look pretty good. I'd be stoked to get one of those Charizards. Ripping Fantasma. Cool. Okay, that was Journey Together. So far, nothing really big, but we got the big boys left, right? We got Destined Rivals, Fantasma, and Mega. So this is the packs. If we had luck to use, this is the packs we'll use the luck on to pull some major stuff. These Gyarados. Roll that. Fuck. It's the first full art. Can't complain, got something at least. I wonder if these packs are really like random that they put in these UPCs, or they actually, you know, do something with it. Okay, Mega Evolution, we got 4 packs. The fun thing about the UPCs is you get a mixed pack of stuff, right? Like the Sword and Shield one, you got some Evolving Skies. You get some cool stuff in it at least. If I'm not mistaken, the 151 is just 151, but still. Ultra premium collections are super cool. Nice price point, but you know, I think it's worth it with all the stuff they give. Oh, Mega Lucario, right on. It's a nice pull. Never pulled this yet. Sick. See, this is the packs we like save our luck for, you know. Hopefully we get something pretty good out of Fantasma too. Oh, Miko Kangaskhan. Nice, another EX. 2 for 2 on these mega packs. Last mega pack. Let's see what we can pull. Ooh, backwards energy. What's going on with this? Yeah. I don't know about you, but this is what I've been waiting for right now. The art on the packs are even sick. Got 4 packs of Fantasma. Let's go, guys. It's gonna be my first look at the set, you know, besides ripping the Inferno X stuff, but for English. Hopefully you can pull something nice. Oh, no Shinji Kanda card. Let's tell by the art. That's sick. Oh, nice! The Wigglytuff! This card is so sick. Nice. Such a cool card. Right on. Nice. Wigglytuff. Okay, pack number 2. So at least it's not a total waste, you know. I'm sure you're gonna make the money back on it with these cards, but still, super cool to see that Wigglytuff. Nice Charmeleon. Ultras. Okay, pack number 3. Mega Gengar EX. Let's go. It's not a sick card. Right on. Funny that Gengar came out of a Gengar pack. What is the chances? Huh? Hopefully that's how it works and we get one Charizard out of the Charizard pack. Last pack. See if we can get some last pack magic out of this. Battle Cage. This is another hit, I think, from this set. Right on. If not mistaken, this is the cage that he's looking out to in the ETB, but right on. This is another sick hit. Overall, not bad, bro. We got some pretty cool stuff. If you look at card value wise, we probably made our money back, honestly. Just with these hits, the Battle Cage, the Mega Gengar, of course the Wigglytuff, and then the Mega Lucario. Pretty cool. Can't forget about the promos. The promos itself is worth pretty good money. I think it's going for a little over $100, but right on. Such a sick rip. UPCs, like I said, are really good. You know, kind of expensive, but you get good value out of it. You get some cool stuff. Sounds weird, but I'm super stoked about this coin. We got a new coin for Coin Flip. Have a show later today at Pearl Ridge. Probably gonna bust this out over there and try to see what we can do. But yeah, overall, guys, that's the Mega Charizard EX Ultra Premium Collection. New one just dropped today, pretty much, right? So if you guys got your hands on it, congratulations. You know, if you're keeping it sealed, good call. I'm gonna keep a few sealed too, but if you're ripping it, good luck, bro. I hope you guys pull some crazy stuff. You know, it's always fun looking at it, ripping the new stuff. So I'm sure there's gonna be more. I mean, I can guarantee there's gonna be more Fantasmas getting ripped on this channel. So that's it for today, guys. Mahalo for joining. Always appreciate you. Let me know down in the comments if you guys ripped it, or if you ripped any Fantasma, but you guys pull. Like I said, on my Instagram feed, I see a lot of the guys I follow and local people pulling some nice cards, bro. Congrats to you guys. Super stoked, happy for you guys. I'm sure I'll see some nice ones tonight at the show, so I'll catch you guys later. Mahalo, guys. Appreciate y'all. Take care of yourselves. Aloha.